Hello friends, welcome to Mahesh Maths classes. We make it easy, you learn it quickly. Today we are going to learn about Caprecut's constant and some interesting facts about Caprecut's constant. So what is Caprecut's constant? Take any four digit number, let us say 1, 2, 3, 4. Write them in ascending order and descending order. So first I am writing it in descending order. It is already in the ascending order. Now take the difference between them. So always subtract the smaller number from the greater number. So the answer will be this is 11 minus 4, it is 7, and 11 minus 3, it is 8, and here 0, and 4 minus 1 is 3, 3087. Now repeat the first step, that is write them in ascending order and also in the descending order. So what is the answer? 10 minus 8, it is 2. 12 minus 7, it is 5. And here 6 minus 3 is 3. And 8 minus 0 is 8. Repeat the step again. Write them in the ascending order and also in the descending order. That is 8, 5, 3, 2 is the descending order. 2, 3, 5, 8 is the ascending order. So here 12 minus 8, 4. And 12 minus 5, 7. Next, 4 minus 3 is 1, 8 minus 2 is 6, 6, 1, 7, 4. Repeat it again, the same process. 1, 4, 6, 7 is the ascending order, 7, 6, 4, 1 is the descending order. Now 11 minus 7, 4, and here 13, 13 minus 6 is 7. Next, 6 minus 4 is, here 5 minus 4 is 1, 7 minus 1 is 6, 6174. So this 6174 is the final result which we get in this process. So that's why this 6174 is called Caprecut's constant, and this entire process is called Caprecut's routine. So whatever be the four digit number you take, when you continue in this process, it will end up with 6174. And when you apply the same process to this 6174, and the result will be 6174 again. So that's why 6174 is called Caprecut's constant. Let us take one more example. So we will do it stepwise. So first step is take any four digit number using at least two different digits. So 1495. Now ascending order and the descending order. So what you will get, that is here 9541 is descending order, 1459 is the ascending order. So subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. 9541 minus 1459 is 8082. Again repeat the same process. If you write them in the descending order, it will be 8820, and 0288 if you write in the ascending order. And what is the result here? 8532. Again repeat it. 8532. Write them in the ascending order 2358 and the descending order 8532. What will be the result? 6174. Again you know that if you do the same process, if you apply the same process to 6174, the result will be 6174 only. That is 7641 minus 1467 is equal to 6174. So that's why it is called a Caprecut's constant 6174. So this is known as Caprecut's routine, and we will always reach its fixed point, which is 6174. Okay. So once 6174 is reached, the process will be continue. Okay. That is, we will get only 6174, 6174 repeatedly. The only four digit numbers which Caprecut's routine does not reach 6174 are the repeated digits such as 1111, 2222. Because when you write them in ascending order and descending order, the result will be 0000. Okay. So all the other four digit numbers except such numbers, so it will reach at 6174. Okay. Now we will see some interesting facts about the Caprecut's constant. Okay, so the first one, 6174 is a Harshad number. What is an Harshad number? So Harshad number, suppose you take any number 12. Now take the sum of the digits, that is 1 plus 2, that is 3. So if this 12 is divisible by these 3, then 12 is called a Harshad number. So if a number is divisible by sum of its digits, then it is called a Harshad number. So clearly, when you take 6174, what is 6 plus 1 plus 7 plus 4? So 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12 plus 6, 18. So let us check whether this 6174 is divisible by 18 or not. So 18 3s are 54. So here 7, 77. 18 6 is 72 and 54. 18 3s are 54. So the remainder is 0. Therefore, this 6174 is divisible by sum of its digits, that is 18. Therefore, 6174 is a Harshad number. So if you want to know more about Harshad number, you can watch my video on Harshad numbers, which is given in the description. Okay. So if a number is divisible by the sum of the digits, then the number is called Harshad number, or it is also called as Nevin number. And the second fact about this is it is a 7 smooth number. What is smooth number? Smooth number is if none of prime factors are greater than 7, then it is called 7 smooth number. If none of its prime factors are greater than 5, then it is called a 5 smooth number. Means in its prime factors, if 7 is the highest prime factor, then it is called a 7 smooth number. Suppose you take a number 12. What are the factors of 12 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And what are the prime factors in this? 2, 3. So what is the highest prime factor here? It is 3. Therefore 12 is a 3 smooth number. Okay, suppose you take here 6174. Here it can be written as 2 power 1 into 3 square into 7 cube. So what is the highest prime factor here? It is 7. Therefore, it is called a 7 smooth number. Suppose any integer is called as k smooth number if it has no prime factors greater than k. So that k is the highest prime factor. Okay, next. The third interesting fact is 6174 can be written as the sum of the first 3 degrees of 18. That is 18 power 1 plus 18 square plus 18 cube gives you 6174. You can check it here. So this is 18 power 1 is 18. 18 square is 324. 18 cube is 5832. And when you sum up, you will get it 6174. And the next one is the sum of the squares of the prime factors of 6174 is a square. So what is 6174 when you prime factorize it? That is 2 power 1 into 3 square into 7 cube. That is 2, 3, 3, 7, 7, 7. These are the prime factors of 6174. So when you square them and add them, what you will get? Let us see. 2 square plus 3 square plus 3 square plus 7 square plus 7 square plus 7 square is 169, which is equal to 13 square. Okay, so this is about the Copernicus constant in 4 digits and also the interesting facts about the Copernicus constant. Now, can you find out a Copernicus constant in 3 digits? So if you find so, please leave your answer in the comment box. Thank you for watching.